Mayor, ba't gusto niyo sa after dark?
It's my water. Kasi nagkakape mo lang ako doon. Diba, nagkakain lang ako ng saging, gano'n. Tapos ako mag-uwi.
Ano pong pinag-iisipan niyo habang nasa after dark kayo?
Well, it's always, minsan askance, you know? The word askance. Yung parang, ang ano ng mood ng tao. A-S-K-N-C, askance. Parang malayo ang tingin ganon.
Ay, sorry sir.
Sige, okay ko lang.
Sir, saan ulit kayo pupunta?
Magkain tayo kasi wala pa akong dinner. Nagyaya ako ng mga tao po, hindi ako kumain.
Okay.
Mayor, how long have you been going to after dark?
Well, alam mo, naglipat na nga yan eh. Almost after that. Sino ba nandyan? Peng? Nandyan si Peng, it's about mga 20 years.
Wow.
Bagong location lang yan.
Okay. Ganito po lagi yung ano nyo?
No,
ginagawa nyo, sir?
lang. I've been, umuwi na kasi ako ng maaga kasi ayaw ko nang magpuyat dahil I'm trying to be kung sana maaari lang at least mga 9 to 10 nandyan na ako sa opisina.
PM,
kasi,
sir?
9 to 10 a.m.
Hindi naman talaga noon. I was a prosecutor. You know, for 10 years I was reporting for trial works sa korte. Yung mga ano, yung
Sir, so is this like enjoying the last few days or nights before you become president?
Every time there's a conference, I really banter. Kasi mga ano ko mga kababayan ko, taga rito. So I tend to be rude. Diba, hindi naman yung untin na yung pero kanina. Try to, ano yung sa biro ko, minsan it borders to, hindi naman preposterous or ridiculous. Kaya you should learn to adjust to my
your self-expression.
Hindi, yung naman talaga ako, yung ugali.
Mayor, what's your favorite time of the day? Part of your day? Ano po yung favorite?
Yung I'm at my best sa between 6 to 10 gano'n.
Nang umaga, gabi?
Gabi. Umaga, wala na ako naman. Umaga, usually gising na ako. Nagbabasa ako ng newspaper.
At what time, sir?
Mga 8, 9 gano'n.
You wake up at 8 a.m.?
Hindi, mga 9, 10. Usually 9 gano'n. Tapos basa ako. Hindi na kasi ako oversleep rin kasi hindi na makatulog. Meaning to say, pag nagising na ako ganyan, about that time, usually, hindi na ako nakakabalik pagtulog. However, I try to do it.
Mayor, bakit kayo nocturnal? When did it start?
When I was mayor, I was used to go around and I was trying to fix my police department. Everybody indolent. Everybody was lazy. And nilalatag nilang yung tables, then they connect it to form a chair, a bed, pati yung chairs para sa paa, yung mga tutulog.
Mayor, ano yung favorite niyong breakfast?
Usually bulad, salted fish and eggs, sunny side up.
How do you spend your morning? So you eat breakfast, you read the news,
Read newspapers.
And then, ano pong ginagawa niyo?
Dyan lang, just, higa-higa lang, just roll over in bed. Thinking of what, trying to straighten the schedule. Kung sino yung unahin ko, ano the pressing problems of the city, ngayon, maybe the country.
So, Mayor,
I am quite not really scared, but parang ano ako. Kasi matanda na, tapos should have been retired.
Mayor, what's your biggest fear for this presidency of yours?
Not really fear because I'm to give it my best. And my best is good enough. Yan lang talaga ang kaya ko. My fear is that I would not be able to end the violence in this country. And of course, the ever-present menace of drugs. Kasi ako dyan, both parang takot ako sa mangyari sa mga bata. The next, pati galit. It's ambivalent thing inside my head.
Pero sir, how exactly do you feel right now? Just a few days before you actually assume the office.
Would you believe it? Wala masyado akong excitement sa anticipation because I've been winning elections. Almost, wala pa ako. I will end up my politics sa presidency. So I thank God that I have never lost an election. That I've always worked, and I never really thought to be in president of this country. Parang ganun lang yan.
Are you optimistic, Mayor, na you will do a good job?
Well, if you gauge it dito sa Davao, you can walk anywhere actually. Wala mga problema.
Don't you think the presidency is a lot bigger than the mayorship?
Very hard speculation. Because as you grow in the ladder naman of hierarchy, nagtitimpla ka rin eh. So you work hard. Because you don't want to fail Filipino people.